Alright, I don't got too much to show yet, but there's my gap. I'm not really going to fight it to get it much closer because it's a little jangly. Anyway, the magnets are on the bottom, 6 alternating polarities. Coils are on the top, and laminated bars are there. I got the scope hooked up to it. No load, just the scope, and ready. So it's doing something. Production is pretty low, but these coils are very high amperage because they're like 16 or 14 gauge wire. They're like 1 or 2 ohm coils, and a real heavy wire. Like when I power them up, they take like 2 volts and like 5 amps. So anyway, again, I'm going to go a little faster if I can. Now we go watch the millivolts on the top right. I got it at 0. Oh, my div is at 500. Anyway. When I spin it with the drill, I could get almost 2 volts open circuit. And really for these coils, it's actually pretty good because it's real hard to get voltage out of them, even spinning magnets directly at them. But yeah, when I connect the leads, I'm not feeling any sort of drag. It's too early to tell because I'm not really producing a lot. I got to get a motor hooked up to it. A motor up here onto the shaft, cut the shaft smaller so it's not sticking up to the roof. Let's see what it does. But the main guts of it are together, and it definitely makes a signal on the scope. So it's doing something with that flux. What exactly is going to happen, I don't know. But I got to make sure this is nice and sturdy. I want to put more supports on the edges because it's a little jangly. But overall, wiring is set up right. And again, my gaps aren't good. I got like 3 millimeters here before the magnet. And I got all this room, and I got all this room. So it's a huge gap. It's like over an inch gap. But it's going to be difficult to get that any smaller because you have big hunks of steel plus plastic support you need to squeeze in between. But anyway, I'll update when I got more.